I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. With high pressure overhead, winds remain mostly light through tonight. After highs today in the low to mid 60s, tonight not as cool as last night with lows in the low to mid 40s. Ahead of a low pressure trough, south winds breezy tomorrow, gusting up to 25 to 30. Low level clouds moving in from the southwest limit the warming tomorrow, with highs staying mostly in the low to mid 60s. Northwest Kansas a little warmer with highs tomorrow up around 70. A ridge of high pressure and a warm front build eastward for highs up around 80 for Thursday and Friday. Saturday, that warmest day, highs in the low to mid 80s. Southerly winds remain somewhat breezy through Saturday with gusts up to 25. As the cold front moves east, highs drop into the mid 70s to the low 80s Sunday, mid 60s to low 70s on Columbus Day. Sunday night through Columbus Day, there is a slight chance of rain. Rain chances may increase next week with low pressure moving on to the plains. Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the central and eastern U.S. in the long-term forecast for the period of Sunday through October 20th continue to be warmer than normal. Seasonal to slightly cooler than normal temperatures continue across the western U.S. Above normal rainfall predicted for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through October 20th, especially the early to middle portion of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include harvest delays in the U.S., increasing rainfall for central Brazil, and timely rains across Argentina, southern Brazil, and parts of Europe. As the cold front slowly moves across the east central U.S. through tonight, harvest delays continue. Gulf moisture streaming north leads to rain and thunderstorms from the Great Lakes through the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, along with the Appalachians into the southeast and Gulf Coast. Behind the cold front, temperatures across the central and eastern U.S. drop to more seasonal or slightly cooler than normal levels. A large storm moves through the northern plains and Canadian prairies this weekend with areas of heavy rain. The rain pushes into parts of the nation's midsection next week for additional harvest delays. Southern Brazil continues to see favorable conditions for planting and early growth with rain this early week. Central Brazil, that was drier after early soybean planting, expects more rain late this week and weekend. This looks to be the true start of the wet season rainfall, which is more supportive of soybeans. Argentina has mostly good soil moisture for early corn planting and establishment. Mostly widespread rain this weekend, expected to be a boost to Argentina's soybean planting later on this month. Eastern Europe expects scattered rain this week and more rain this weekend, a boost to building soil moisture. Spain, in need of rain for winter wheat establishment, likely to see lighter rain amounts. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.